Good morning, my little chums. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Yesterday, in general awareness, we learned good manners at home and table manners. Now, once again, let's revise it through an activity. Kids, here in this activity, you can see I have taken flashcards of good manners at home and table manners. And on this plate, I have taken some pictures of good manners at home, table manners and other pictures. In this activity, we have to segregate pictures of good manners at home, table manners and place it below their flashcards. Now kids, let's start this activity. Tell me kids, what do you see in this picture? Yes, in this picture, this boy is helping his grandfather by giving him his walking stick. Tell me kids, is this a good manner? Yes, very good kids. This is a good manner. So we will keep this picture below good manners at home. Let's see next picture. Kids, tell me, what do you see in this picture? Yes, this girl is not sharing her book with her brother. Kids, tell me, is this a good manner? No, this is not a good manner. So we will keep this picture aside. Kids, what do you see in this picture? Yes, this girl is chewing her food with her mouth closed. So this is a good table manner. We will keep this picture below table manners. Let's see next picture. Kids, what do you see in this picture? Yes, these two kids are wishing each other by saying hi and hello. Kids, tell me, is this a good manner? Yes, wishing each other is a good manner. So, we will keep this picture below good manners at home. Let's see next picture. Kids, tell me, what do you see in this picture? Yes, very good kids. In this picture, this boy is not kind to his dog. So, this is not a good manner. We will keep this picture aside. Let's see next picture. As you can see in this picture, this boy is wiping his mouth while eating. Kids, tell me, is this a good table manner? Yes, wiping our mouth while eating is a good table manner. So we will keep this picture below table manners. Let's see next picture. As you can see in this picture, these two kids are reading from the same book. That means they are sharing this book. Tell me kids, is this a good manner? Yes, sharing is a good manner. So we will keep this picture below good manners at home. Let's see last picture. Kids, what do you see in this picture? Yes, kids, in this picture, this girl has spilled her food on her table. Kids, tell me, is this a good table manner? No, very good kids. So we will keep this picture aside. Now kids, let's revise these pictures of good manners at home. help others, wish everyone, share. And now let's revise table manners. Chew with your mouth closed. Wipe your mouth. Kids, yesterday I have given you a worksheet. Now let's see how it was to be solved. Kids, let's solve this worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to tick the pictures of the children who have good manners and cross the rest. Let's see first picture. In this picture, these two kids are reading from same book. That means they are sharing. So we will tick this picture. Let's see next picture. In this picture, this girl is not sharing her book with her brother. So we will cross this picture. In the next picture, this boy is pampering his dog and is kind to his dog. So we will tick this picture. In the next picture, as you can see, this boy is not kind to his dog. So we will cross this picture. Let's see next picture. In this picture, you can see this boy is helping his grandfather by giving him his walking stick. So we will tick this picture. Let's see next portion of the worksheet. Kids, we have to circle the picture of the child who has table manners. In this picture, this girl is eating her food with her mouth closed. So we will circle this picture. In the next picture, as you can see, this girl has spilled her food on her table. So we will not circle this picture. In this picture, this girl has finished her food. So we will circle this picture. In the next picture, this girl is eating her food with her mouth open. So we will not circle this picture. In the last picture, this boy is wiping his mouth while eating. So we will circle this picture. Kids, I hope you all have solved your worksheet like this. Kids, I hope with the help of these sessions, you have learned the concept of good manners at home and table manners. Bye bye kids.